Oh, wait. Lord have mercy.
It don't make no sense to look this good.
Nope.
When you couldn't reach my love.
Now look at here over there.
Gee,
Oh my
definitely
goodness.
here, sis. I done told you not to look over there.
You just would do it not do.
Ooh. Are you done?
Are you done? Yeah.
Are you done?
Are you done?
No, are you done?
Are you done?
Are you
Come on,
done?
Kendall.
Hi KenDolls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name's Kendall, and today I have with me a very special guest. I have my mom.
Hi. Hi, KenDolls.
What's your name?
My name is Joyce.
Hi, my mom.
Miss Joyce if you're nasty.
Oh, right. And today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial, and it's going to be me doing her makeup for Mother's Day.
Yay!
Yay! Happy Mother's Day! So yeah, so she got her makeup done, little side beat, you know, a little some. Nothing too crazy. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I got this look, and if you are out there, make sure you watch it with your mom too. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.
Hi.
So I'm going to be starting with her brows. I'm going to be taking this Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder in the number 5. Looks like this right here. It's kind of just like this dark brown, leads into like kind of soft black. I'm going to just take this soft brown part on the side.
Take advantage, yeah. And I really tried taking you serious, baby. It's really your loss. You had a chance being the only girl living in my heart across. Wanted to hold you down for a while, keep you smiling, I'm out of the cause.
To prime, I'm going to be taking her NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer, and it's this clear translucent one. And let me go ahead and say most of these products are already hers. So yeah, this is all her product. I'm just using it on her. So I'm gonna go ahead, take a brush, and I'm gonna put this everywhere on her face, get her ready for some foundation. Okay, Mom, how old were you when you had me?
I was 35 and a half.
35 and a half?
34 and a half.
34 and a half?
Wait a minute. Oh, I was 35.
35?
Yeah.
So you were 34.
Huh?
So then you were 34.
You
were 34.
34 and a half. What I had you at 35?
Sis.
Oh, let's see. 35, January, February, March. It was 35 and a half, almost 36 years. Yeah.
Dang.
That's what I said. But you came out looking perfect.
You were right. You were right. So for foundation today, I'm going to be taking this Makeup Revolution stick in the shade F13. This is her foundation stick that she currently is using. And this is what the shade looks like. It's kind of just like this. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and put this everywhere, and I'm going to be blending it in using this Beauty BAKERIE sponge.
Halloween. I know you called him on a cell phone when you couldn't reach my love. Called him on a cell phone when you couldn't reach my love. I know when the hotline blanks.
Here you go.
You're looking all checked up.
I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Honey. This is my concealer. She doesn't really wear concealer usually because she does usually put on a little bit lighter makeup. I don't need much just because she does have pretty tiny baby eyes anyway. So, yeah.
And I really tried taking you serious, baby. It's really your loss.
And so then to set her under eyes, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this Beauty BAKERIE Flower in Better Not Bitter, and I'm going to be taking the shade Yellow. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to set her under eye. Are you excited to be doing this?
Yeah, I'm real excited.
You're really excited?
I think. Yeah, I'm really excited.
Yeah.
I need to be in front of the camera.
I'm gonna take her Eco Styling brush. And I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna dust under her under eyes and take off that second color.
Oh no. Oh no. If I had a attack.
Now I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal True Match powder in the shade Classic Tan. And I'm going to use this to set the rest of her face. What is your favorite thing that we do to celebrate Mother's Day? Is there anything that you like to do that you get excited about?
What are we going to do? We're going to go get me new cell phone.
Oh yeah,
so I can be updated with everybody else.
She finally about to join the Apple gang.
Yeah. See what's going on with Apple.
Finally about to get that iPhone.
Find Kendall whereabouts.
I be with you. I don't even be anywhere.
They have one of those things where you can tell where your location is.
Yeah.
Location.
Did you have a tough pregnancy? Was it an easy pregnancy? What would you say?
I said just lay low and spread wide. No, I had it was an emergency C-section. I had a real good pregnancy though. Yeah. And there she is. Well, that's what you do.
Alright, that's what you do. So she already has super bomb cheekbones. She probably has like some of the best sets of cheekbones I've ever seen. Yes, show them off, show them off. Look at you. So to do that, I'm going to be taking a little bit of this coral shade in my BH Cosmetics Blushing and Bali palette.
Call me on that hotline bling if you wanna be with me. Call me on that hotline bling right now if you wanna be with.
So for her eyeshadow today, I'm going to be taking my Morphe palette 35G Bronze Golds. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with this top shade right up here. And this one is called Island Life. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use that as the base for her eyeshadow.
I know when the hotline bling, so I'm not your only flame. I know when the hotline bling.
How do you feel about my YouTube channel?
I feel about your what?
My YouTube channel. And like what I'm doing. How do you feel about me and makeup?
Oh, I'm very proud of you. I really, you have a gift. Yeah, really, you have lots of gifts and talents. You've always been an artist. So I think this would be perfect for you. And I think you're also a very good storyteller. So you guys need any storytellers, my channel, tell why in a minute. I mean, she's a good storyteller, write good stories.
This shade right here, and it's called SPF.
Oh, what?
SPF.
What's that stand for? That sounds like a disease.
Like sunscreen protection.
Oh, okay, got it.
SPF. So she likes browns, golds, neutrals, everything like that. So I thought this would be like the perfect palette because it pretty much has everything that I would need to create an eye look for her. Yes. Is there anything that you weren't expecting about becoming a mother? Was there anything that's like surprised you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, indeed. Lord have mercy. Yes, yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Lot of things.
Like what?
Lot of things.
Like what?
Lord, I can't keep a dime in my pocket. Lord have mercy. And I open my eyes and can see.
Sure, I guess.
Lord have mercy. Woo, child, expensive. I can't go to Dollar Tree no more. Neighbors know my name.
Called Tan Up. Kind of like a rusty brown.
When you need my love, lose the number to my cell phone, 'cause you don't really care about my love. Call me on
Poking my eye out like James Harden. My eyes red. They're like doggone James Harden. But you're a good kid. You're a good child. Never just want to jump out of school.
Be taking the shade called Poolside, and it's
Suicide.
I said Poolside.
Oh, okay.
It's called Poolside. It's this gold one. Poolside.
Ooh.
Were you and your mom close?
Very close. Me and my mom, real close. Love my mom.
Taking the shade's called Glow On. And at the top is kind of like this light gold right here. I'm going to be putting that on her brow bone and her tear duct. Was there a favorite age that you liked the most?
No, every age. I love every age.
You don't miss me being a kid?
No, Lord, no. But I'd probably rather have you as a kid than an adult. I save more money.
You think I'm more expensive now?
You can answer that yourself.
You have any questions for me? What's it like being your daughter?
You love your mother?
With all my little heart. Now I'm going to be taking her LANCôME Cils Booster Mascara Primer. And I'm going to be putting this on. She doesn't wear lashes, so I'm going to be priming her eyes for some mascara.
I know when that highlight bling, sure I'm not your only flame. Every time I leave the
What's your favorite part of makeup?
Lipsticks. My lip.
You like lipstick?
Love pretty lips.
Did you know I was going to love makeup as much as I did now? As when I was a kid?
I don't know if you're gonna like it or not. I know you like looking pretty all the time, so probably.
Yeah. Now I'm going to be taking her Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the style 69. And it's just this like red focus. There we go. And just like this red lip. Now for her lipstick, I'm going to be taking her LANCôME Color Design lipstick in red stiletto.
Oh Lord.
Now I'm going to be taking my MAC Fix Plus in a coconut. She hates this part of makeup.
Do all this.
Okay, well, you know the drill. Close them.
Oh Lord.
I told you close them.
They close them.
Alright then.
Okay.
So I'm about to show her the big reveal, what she looks like. So you ready, Mom?
Yes, I'm ready.
You ready?
Ready. See what I look like.
Alright, okay. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Wow. It's beautiful.
Show them your eyes. Look down. You look hot.
Fire.
Fire. Yes. So fire.
Fire.
And that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Did you have fun?
I had fun. We gotta do this sometime again.
We gotta do this again.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
This is my #1 baby, KenDoll.
Right
Ken. Call me on my cell phone. Let know when you need my love. I know when you holler at me. That can only mean one thing.
One thing.
I know when you holler at me.
Holler at me.
That can only mean one thing.
I know when the hotline bling, sure I'm not your